Good morning. Welcome to my tutor. Today we're going to do Maths, February-March 2020, Igcse paper 1-2. Let's go. On the axis below, sketch the graph of y equals -3, x minus 2, x minus 4, and x plus 1, showing the coordinates of the points where the curve intersects the coordinate axis. So it's very important, coordinate axis. So looking at the graph is in the factorized form. So the x-intercept is 2. X minus 2 corresponds with 2. X minus 4 corresponds with 4. X plus 1 corresponds with -1. And when x is 0, that's the y-intercept. So when x is 0, y is -24. Okay? So it's a negative graph. It will start on the positive side. So I'm going to try and sketch as best as I can. Okay, here is -1, 2, 4, and here is -24. There you have it. Hence, find the values of x for which function is larger than 0. So if the function is larger than 0, it will be on the top of the x-axis to these two areas. Okay, so in these two areas, x is smaller than -1 and x is between 2 and 4. Okay. Find the values of k for which the line y equals kx plus 3 is a tangent to the curve y equals 2x squared plus 4x plus k minus 1. This is problem of intersection of lines. So you need to equate the two functions. 2x squared plus 4x plus k minus 1 equals to kx plus 3. Moving over and simplify, you get x squared plus 4 minus kx plus k minus 4 equals 0. So if it's a tangent, b squared minus 4ac equals 0. So b is 4 minus k. 4 minus k squared minus 4. A is 2. C is k minus 4. Okay. Expanding, you get 16 minus 8k plus k squared minus 8k. 4 times 4 times 2, 4 is 32. Okay. So rearranging, minus 16k plus 48 equals 0. Factorizing, you get k minus 4. So, okay, we're nearly there. K is 4. It's one of the solution. Okay, equals to 12 is the other solution. There we have it solved. The first three terms in the expansion 3 minus ax power 5 in the setting power of x can be written in the form given. Find a, b, and c. So let's expand 3 minus ax to the power 5. Using the formula, this will be 3 to the power 5 plus 1, 3 to the power 4 minus ax plus 5 to 3 to the power 3 minus ax. Okay. 3 to the power 5 is 2, 4, 3 plus 5, 1 is 5. 3 to the power 4 is 81. This is still minus ax. 5, 2 is 10. 3 cubed is 27. Is a squared x squared. Okay. So simplifying, you get 243 minus 405 ax plus 270 a squared x squared. So this will be the same as b minus 81x plus cx squared. By comparing the coefficients, b will be 243. 405a equals to 81. So there we have one solution already. So a equals to 105. C equals to 270 a square. So it's 270. A square is 1 over 25. So this will be 54 over 5. So this is the value of C, is value of A. Tangent to the curve y equals ln 3x squared minus 4 minus x cubed over 6 at a point where x equals to meets the y-axis at a point P. Find the coordinate, exact coordinate of P. Exact. So you got the tangent, you got to differentiate to find the gradient. So differentiate ln, put 3x squared minus 4 as a denominator. Differentiate 3x squared minus 4 is 6x, put as a numerator. Minus differentiate x cubed is 3x squared over 6. So it should be x squared over 2. Okay. Now when x equal to y equal to ln 3 times 2 squared minus 4 is 8 minus 2 cubed 8 over 6 is 4 over 3. So when x equals to 2, dy over dx equals 6 times 2 is 12. 3 times 2 square minus 4 is 8 minus 2 square 4 over 2. This will give you. Okay. So let's put the point P at the y-axis. So x coordinate is 0. Let's put the y coordinate as y. Okay. So the gradient minus half should be equal to y minus ln 8 minus 4 over 3 over 0 minus 2. So 1 equals to y minus ln 8 plus 4 over 3. So rearranging, you get y equals to ln 8 minus 1 over 3. There you have it. So the coordinate of P is 0, ln 8 minus 1 over 3, or specifically the exact coordinate. There you have their solution. Question 5, question on sets. Okay, all the information is per given. Question A, find the area of the triangle ABC, giving your answer in the form A plus B root 3. So area equals to half times base times height. Half n minus 2 root 3 plus 20 root 3 minus 4 times 3 is 12. Okay. So 10 minus 12 is minus 2 times half is minus 1. Minus 2 plus 20 is 18 root 3 times half is 9 root 3. Okay, that's the solution. Find tangent ABC, giving an answer in form C plus D root 3. Okay. So BD will be half BC, we should be equal 1 plus 2 root 3. Tangent ABC equals opposite, which is 5 minus root 3 over adjacent, which is 1 plus 2 root 3. Rationalizing the denominator, you times by 1 minus 2 root 3. 5 times 1 is 5. 5 times minus root 3 is minus 10 root 3 minus root 3 plus 2 times 3 is 6. 1 minus 2 square is 4 times 3, 12. So 5 plus 6 is 11 over minus 11 is minus 1. Minus 10 root 3 minus root 3 is minus 11 root 3 over minus 11 is plus root 3. Okay. There you have it. Find second square ABC, giving an answer in E plus F root 3. Okay, using the identities, second square ABC, 1 plus tangent square A, B, C. 1 plus minus 1 plus 3 square 1 plus 1 minus 2 root 3 plus 3. So this would be 5 minus 2 root 3. Okay, that is the solution. Question 6. Points A, B have coordinates minus 2, 4, and 6 tenths, respectively. Find the equation of the perpendicular bisector of AB. Giving your answer in the form AX plus BY plus C equals 0. Okay. So midpoint AB equals to plus 6 over 2, 4 plus 10 over 2, which is equals to 4 over 2, which is 2, 14 over 2 is 7. Gradient of AB equals to 10 minus 4 over 6 minus 2, which gives you 6 over 8, 3 over 4. So the gradient of the perpendicular will be the negative reciprocal. So the equation of the line equation, y minus 7 equals to minus 4 over 3 x 2. So you have 3y minus 21 equals to minus 4x. Minus 4 times minus 2 is plus 8. Writing in the form that the question 1 is 4x plus 3y minus 29 equals 0. Okay. Point C has coordinate 5, B, and lies on the perpendicular bisector of AB. Find the value of P. So substituting X with 5 and Y with P. So 4 times 5 plus 3P minus 29 equals 0. 4 times 5 is 20, minus 29 is minus 9. So 3P is 9, P equals to 3. It's given that the line AB bisects the line CD. Let's draw for you AB. CD. So the midpoint here, which is 2, 7, will also be the midpoint of CD. So D, let's put the coordinate as XY. So the midpoint C is coordinate of 5, 3. So the midpoint is X plus 5 over 2. Y plus 3 over 2 is equals to 7. So X plus 5 equals 4. X equals minus 1. Y plus 3 equals 14. Y equals 11. And you have the coordinate of D, minus 1, 11. Okay. I believe we have finished this question. Next question, question 7. Function Px is ax cubed plus 3x squared plus bx minus 12 has a factor of 2x plus 1. When Px is divided by x minus 3, the remainder is 105. Find the value of A and B. So you got to generate two equations and solve simultaneously. So if it's a factor, that means P minus half should be 0. So P minus half is minus half cube is minus 1 over 8A. Minus half square is 1/4 times 3. Minus half B minus 12 equals 0. So you multiply by minus 8. You get A minus 6. This is 4. Minus 4B plus 96 equals 0. So A minus 4B equals to minus 90. This is my first equation. Divided by x minus 3. So P3, the remainder should be 105. So it must be equals to 105. 3 cubed is 27. So it's 27a plus 3 square is 9. So 3 times 9 plus 3b minus 12 equals 105. So you have 27a plus 3b 9. 27 minus 12 is 15. 105 minus 15 is 90. Huh? So you can divide by 3. Divide 3. I'm going to make it simpler. 9a plus b equals to 30. So this first equation is 9. So you have 9a minus 36b equals 814 minus 37b equals to 840. So 840 divide 37. Answer should not be so complicated. Let me check. A 1/4 times what is minus half? Correct. Done. A minus 6 minus 4b minus 6. 3 times 2. Oh, this is plus. This is plus 4b. Plus 4b. This is plus. Minus 35. Okay, now you have an exact value. B is minus 24. So substituting A plus 4 times minus 96 minus 90. A equals to 6. Okay, so you have the two solutions. Using the values of A and B, write Px as a product of 2x plus 1 and a quadratic factor. Okay, what I'm going to do is I'm going to do the synthetic division method, which is easier. So I'm going to write down all the coefficients. 6, 3, minus 24, minus 12. And this will be minus half. Okay, bring the 6 down. Times you get minus 3, add you get 0. So this is 0, this is minus 24, this is 12, this is 0. Okay, so the quotient is, you have to divide by 2. You got times by half. So the quotient is 3x squared minus 12. Okay, so Px would be equal to 2x plus 1, 3x squared minus 12. Okay, and solve Px equals to 0. So you have 2x plus 1, 3x squared minus 12 equals 0. X will be minus half, or x squared equals to 4. X equals to plus minus 4. So these are the three solutions. This question, all distances are in kilometers. The ship P sails from point A, which has position vector So it sails from the origin with a speed of 52 kilometers per hour in the direction minus 512. Okay, find the velocity vector of the ship. So finding the magnitude. Gets 5 square plus 12 square equals to 13. Okay. So 52 kilometers, this magnitude has 52. So you have to multiply by 4, which get 52. So your velocity vector must have a magnitude of 52. So you got to take the vector given times by 4, which gives you minus 20, 48. So this vector would have a magnitude of 52. Write down the position vector of P at the time t hours of the limit t. So position vector OP would be the position, the initial position is OO, which you don't have to write it down. And it will be just t minus 20, 48. Okay. At the same time, the ship P sails from A ship Q sails from a point B, which has position vector 12, 8, with a velocity vector minus 25, 45. Write down the position vector of Q at the time t hours. So likewise, the same way. Position vector where it starts, 12, 8, plus t is the time times the velocity vector. There you have it. Using our answer to parts B and C, find the displacement vector PQ. So PQ equals to OQ minus OP. So OQ is 12 minus 25t 8 plus 45t minus 20t 8t. So by minus 12 minus 25t plus 20t would be minus 5t. 45t minus 48t is minus 3t. Okay. That is PQ. And show that PQ is equal to PQ. So the PQ means the length of PQ. So PQ is basically magnitude of the vector PQ. We should be square root of. So I like this type of question whereby if you get the answer correct, that means all the while your answer would be right before this. 8 minus 3t square. So you need to expand. This is 144 minus 120t plus 25t square plus 64 minus 48t plus 9t square. Simplifying this, you should get the answer that you want. So this is 34t square, 25 plus 9. Minus 120 minus 48 is minus 168t. 144 plus 64 is 208. There you have it. Find the value of t when P and Q are first 2 kilometers apart. So you have 34t square minus 168t plus 208 equals to 2. Squaring both sides, you get 34t square minus 168t plus 208 equals to 4. So you have 34t square minus 168t plus 204 equals 0. Then you can divide by 2. 17t square minus 84t plus 102 equals to 0. Finding the solution. You can always use the calculator to help you factorize. Minus 84.02. Oops. So okay. So you will have, it is not an exact value, so it is t will be equals to minus or plus 84 plus minus 84 square minus 4 times 17 times 102 over 2 times 17. So you will get equals to 2.79 in 3 significant figures and 2.1. So they want find the value of t when p and q was our first 2 kilometer apart. So the answer, this is rejected. This one is rejected. This is the second time. So t will be equals to 2.15. Okay. Find how many different 4-digit numbers can be formed using the digits 2, 3, 5, 7, 8, and 9. If each digit may be used only once in any number. 4-digit number. So you have a 4-digit number. Its choices, there are 2, 4, 6 numbers. So it will be 6 times 5 times 4 times 3. 30 times 12 will be 360. That is the solution. How many of the numbers found in part 1 are divisible by 5? Okay. So if they're divisible by 5, that means the last number must be a 5. Because only one choice. So after choosing 5 here, you have only 5 choices. 5 times 4 times 3 times 1, which is 60. That is your solution. How many of the numbers found in part 1 are odd and greater than 7,000? So again, greater than 7,000 means the first number is either 7, 8, or 9. So you have 3 choices here. So after choosing the first 7, 8, or 9, the others are there's no restriction. So this is 5, 4, and 3 choices. So you have 180 choices. Okay. The number of combination of n items taken 3 at a time is 92n. Find the value of the constant n. I want to see if it's related. No, not related. So this is NC3. So you need to know what is NC3. You need to know how to write down. So this is n minus 1, n minus 2 over 3 factorial equals 92. You can cancel one n. 3 factorial is 6. 6 times 92 is 552. Expanding this, you get n squared minus 3n plus 2. N squared minus 3n minus 550 equals 0. Use the calculator to help me again. 5n. So this is n minus 25 n plus 22. N is a positive value. So n should be 25. yes, and is positive. Okay. Question 10. Solve tangent x alpha plus 45 degrees equals to minus 1 over root 2. Okay. So the reference angle theta is equals to tangent 1 over root 2. Is equals to, so must be in degrees. So make sure your, make sure your mode is in degrees. Okay, so this is arctangent 1 over root 2. 35.3 degrees. So the reference angle is 35.3 degrees. So alpha plus 45 degrees. This would be negative, means it's in the second and the fourth quadrant. So it's 180 minus 35.3 degrees, or 360 minus 35.3 degrees. Alpha equals to 80.3. So this is 99.7 degrees. And 79.7 degrees. Okay. Show that 1 over sine theta minus 1 minus 1 over sine theta plus 1 is a second square theta. So what we have, we take the left hand side, which is longer. So one, make it into a single fraction. This will be sine theta plus 1 minus sine theta minus 1. Okay. So the numerator would be 2. The denominator after expansion would be sine squared theta minus 1. Okay. So using the first identity, sine squared theta minus 1 is cos minus cos squared theta. So this will be minus 2 second squared theta. That's the answer. Hence, solve this equation. So this is 3 phi. So you should put it as 3 phi. Minus 2 over cos squared 3 phi. It's 8. So cos squared 3 phi equals to 1 quarter. So you have to be careful. They want it between minus pi over 3 to pi over 3. So pi over 3 is only 60 degrees. So you might just have 2 solutions. Cos. So I'm going to take the first quadrant and the fourth quadrant. This is 90 up to 90 degrees. This up to minus 90. Or pi over 2. This minus pi over 2. Okay. So cos 3 phi equals to plus minus half. So you don't have to bother. Okay. Because it's just pi over 3. Pi over 3 is 60. Okay. Now I'm going to list down all the values between minus 180 to 180. 3 phi equals to. So it is, the reference angle is pi over 3. So the other angles is pi minus pi over 3 and minus pi over 3 and minus pi minus pi. 3 phi equals to pi over 3. This is 2 pi over 3. This is minus pi over 3. This is minus 2 pi over 3. dividing by 3, you get your solution. Pi over 9. Pi over 9 minus pi over 9 to pi over 9. There, you have 4 solutions. Next question. Given that all this is equals to ln 2.4 and the a is larger than 1, find the value of a. So integrate from 1 to a, 2 over 2x plus 3 plus 3 over 3x minus 1 over x dx. So when you have a linear which is a denominator, it is always a ln. Huh? So this 2 ln 2x plus 3, you divide by the coefficient of x2 plus 3 ln 3x minus 1 divided by the coefficient of x, which is 3, minus ln x a 1. Okay, so this will be ln 2a plus 3 plus ln 3a minus 1 minus ln a plus ln 2 plus 3 is 5. Oh, this is minus. Minus 3 minus 1 is 2 plus ln 1. Okay, ln 1 is 0. So just cancel this off. So using the laws of logarithm. This will be simplified to 2a plus 3, a minus 1, minus all will all be the denominator. 5 times 2 times a, which will be 10a. So this is given as ln 2.4. So up ln, inverse ln both sides you get, and expand 2a times 3a is 6a square minus 2a plus 9a minus 3 equals to 24a. Simplifying 6a square minus 2 plus 9 is 7 minus 24 is minus 17. Factorizing 3 plus 1. A equals to minus 1 over 6, so a equals to 3. So a is larger than, so this answer as a is larger than 1. Okay, that's it. We have completed one more paper. If you like this lesson, subscribe to my channel. If you want this solution, put a comment, put your email, and I will send it to you. Bye for now.